the Kongo world, the cosmogram is not merely a symbol. It is a way of understanding life itself, a philosophy of the cycle of existence. It expresses the balance between the visible world and the invisible world, between the living and the ancestors, between birth, transformation, death, and rebirth. At the center of this worldview lies a fundamental concept, Kimuntu, humanity, the ethics of being, human dignity. Kimuntu places the human being at the center of the world's balance. It reminds us that humanity cannot exist without responsibility, without justice, without harmony with life itself. A deeply universal philosophy, one that still resonates today in the very foundations of human rights. In the Kongo creation narrative, everything begins with Mahungu, the primordial being, a being embodying duality, both masculine and feminine. Created by Nzambi Mahungu, the supreme God, creator and almighty, Mahungu begins an initiatory journey around the sacred tree, a founding movement, a passage, a transformation. Then comes the separation. The original unity divides into two, the masculine principle, the feminine principle, and with them begins the story of humanity. At the heart of this spiritual memory stands the Yala Nkuwu, the sacred tree of Kongo, guardian of balance and justice. In Kongo tradition, the Yala Nkuwu is not merely a tree. It is a place of truth, a space for judgment, a symbol of fairness. Today, the Yala Nkuwu still stands in Banza, Kongo, like a silent witness to time, a guardian of memory, an ancient breath that continues to speak to the present.